Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're thrilled to present a captivating tour of a three-bedroom house that seamlessly combines functionality and elegance. From the intricate exterior features to the cozy interior spaces, this house has so much to offer. Let's jump right in and explore every detail. Our journey begins with the striking exterior features that immediately catch your eye. The house boasts a stunning brick facing that wraps around the building's base, enhancing its visual appeal. The same brickwork is carefully placed above the window and door head height, creating a tasteful contrast. Just below the windows, the brick facing adds a touch of texture and character. And let's not forget the exquisite coins gracing the building's corners, adding a classic touch that exudes charm. As we tilt our gaze upward, we're greeted by a hipped roof that crowns the house with a timeless design. The sloping angles and clean lines of the roof create a sense of architectural harmony. What's more, the practicality of rain gutters and pipes ensures effective water drainage, preserving the structural integrity of the house while adding a functional element to its aesthetic. Now, let's step inside and experience the inviting entrance terrace. This outdoor haven welcomes you with open arms, offering a delightful spot to enjoy moments of relaxation. Whether it's sipping your morning coffee or catching up with friends, this space sets the tone for comfort and connection. As we enter the house, the spacious living and dining room unfolds before us. An open-concept design seamlessly integrates the living and dining spaces, creating a sense of togetherness. Plush sofas and armchairs frame a central coffee table, forming a cozy gathering spot. The dining area is equally inviting, featuring an elegant table surrounded by chairs, perfect for hosting memorable meals. Moving to the galley kitchen, situated conveniently adjacent to the dining area. This kitchen is a blend of style and functionality. With its efficient layout, the galley design maximizes the use of space. Sleek countertops and ample storage line both sides, offering a streamlined and practical workspace. An exterior door window nearby brings in an abundance of natural light, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere as you go about your culinary creations. Venturing further, we encounter a versatile study that adapts to your needs. Whether it's a quiet home office or a tranquil reading nook, this space is designed to inspire productivity and creativity. Abundant natural light pours in through the window, making it an inviting retreat. Let's move to the master bedroom, a haven of tranquility and sophistication. The spacious layout provides ample room to unwind and rejuvenate. A well-appointed closet ensures organized storage, and the attached bathroom is a true sanctuary, complete with contemporary fixtures and a serene ambience. Venturing further down the hallway, we find two additional bedrooms, each designed with comfort in mind. These rooms share a thoughtfully designed shower and WC area, promoting a sense of unity while maintaining individual privacy. And there you have it, a comprehensive tour of this captivating 3-bedroom house. From the intricate exterior features to the inviting interior spaces, this home is a testament to thoughtful design and practical elegance. We hope you've enjoyed this tour as much as we have. If you've found inspiration for your own home projects, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more captivating home tours and design insights. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future.